This is driver's side. Here's the new drop link we already done. Wasn't that bad. And yeah, let's go on. Let's get this side on. Drop links are actually held by two bolts, one at the top and one at the lower end. Now on this one it's at the back side, which is very hard for me to show it on the camera, but it's literally same as the top one. You just get a 16mm spanner and you get the special Allen key and get it out. Let's see with this one. So this is the back one. Now it can be a bit fiddlish. It's just a matter of just be patient and yeah. So that's the old drop link. That's a bit short. It's a bit of play you can see here. And let's install the new one. That's how easy it is to install the drop link on this car. This actually improves the vehicle's stability. Thanks for watching guys. If this video was helpful, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that thing, and I'll see you for next time. Goodbye.